In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to replace the cord on your Roman shade. All you'll need is a crosshead screwdriver. Step 1. Locate the cord on your Roman shade. Depending on your shade's design, the cord's placement may vary. Step 2. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the side of the cord's end. Step 3. Remove the base and the old cord. Step 4. Hang the new cord in place, ensuring it matches the correct hole positions. Step 5. Reattach the base and then screw the screws back in place. Now your corded Roman shade is ready to use again.